Here's a look at how you can use Zapier to connect the registration data collected through ZapEvent to a Google Sheet. To get started, navigate to Zapier.com and either log into your existing account or sign up for a free account here. Once you are successfully logged in, navigate to your account dashboard and click the Make a New Zap button. Start by giving your Zap a name. I'm going to call mine ZapEvent Volunteer Registration. I'm going to choose my trigger app, which is going to be ZapEvent. Next, I'm going to choose the trigger, which is New Participant. Then it's going to ask me to connect to a ZapEvent account. If you connected to a ZapEvent account in Zapier before, you'll see a list of all of your accounts here. And otherwise, you have the option of creating or adding a new account here. And it will bring you back to ZapEvent.com to fill out your username and password and to authorize your account. So I'm going to select my account. I'm going to click Test Account to make sure that the connection is working. And once I see that green check mark, that's telling me that the connection is working and I can continue on. Next, I'm going to select my event. Here in the drop-down, you'll be able to see your most recent events on ZapEvent.com. If you don't see your event listed, you can choose Use a Custom Value and enter your event ID here. If you're unsure of your event ID, you can navigate back to ZapEvent Admin System, and under the My Events list, click on the event you want to connect to and navigate to the event info. And here you'll find your event ID and your activity IDs. I'm going to hit Continue. And now I'm going to see a list of things to double check. You're going to want to make sure you have at least one recent participant registered for an event. They'll use this as sample data to show you how your Zap will look. And you're going to want to make sure that the trigger options below match what you want. So I'm going to use a custom value, and then here's my event ID or your event name. Fetch and continue. Now it's looking for that existing participant. Once you see a test successful, that means it was able to view your participant information. So I'm going to hit continue. Now you're ready to select your action app. For this example, I will select Google Sheets. Next, select what you want the action to be. Here I have the option of either creating a new row in a spreadsheet or searching my spreadsheet for existing data. I'm going to select Create a New Row. Next, it's going to ask me to connect to a Google account. If you haven't connected to a Google Sheets account before, you will need to log in first and authorize your account by selecting Connect a New Account. Once you are logged in, you will find a list of all the existing spreadsheets in your Google Sheets account. Select the spreadsheet and the workbook you would like your registration to be added to. Zapier will pull all of your column headings from this specific worksheet. So go through and map each column to your participant data. The sample data will show you what the information will look like in your spreadsheet. Here I'm going to map my first name, phone number, email address, and then lastly, last name. Once completed, you have the option to test your Zap to make sure all of the information is being displayed correctly. If you do test the data, that sample data you just pulled will show up in your spreadsheet. You always have the option to skip this test if you'd like. And that's it. Once you turn your Zap on, Zapier will start adding new registrations to your Google Sheets automatically. Check out more Zapier tutorial videos here, or subscribe to the ZapEvent YouTube channel here.